Hello and welcome to the PowerShell Scripting Essentials Advanced Management of Configuration Data course. This is the second course of the three-part PowerShell Scripting Essentials series. My goal with this series, for those who already have some experience with PowerShell, is to lead you to the next level. I've seen many people who have somehow stuck at an elementary level with PowerShell because learning the basics and start using PowerShell is easy, but going beyond that without some guidance can be difficult. With these courses, I'd like to motivate you by showing the advanced features of PowerShell that you can easily leverage, showing how you can convert your lines of code into enterprise-grade tools, and how you can write professional scripts. Let's see what this course is about in detail. In this course, we will learn about configuration data, how we can store settings separately from the scripts. This is important because you may want to move your scripts around different environments, different companies, and it would make it very error prone if you need to touch the main logic of the script, if you need to just modify a server name or an IP address. So we prefer to store this kind of information outside of the script. In this first section of this course, we will review the different ways of storing configuration data in files, and we will see the advantages of using PSD1 files for this purpose. We will make our PSD1 files dynamic by a helper function. Dynamic configuration data means that our scripts can automatically select the relevant settings based on the environments that we use the script. So you can have a single configuration file with all these settings related to different environments, different conditions, different users, and the script will be able to automatically pick those settings which are relevant in that scenario. You will learn how you can encrypt sensitive information like passwords and how you can store these sensitive information in configuration files securely. As I've mentioned, this course is not for beginners. I expect that you have already had some experience with PowerShell. You know what variables are. You can use the pipeline. You know how to use the different looping structures and other language elements of PowerShell. And of course, you have used the most common commandlets. I assume that you have experience in working with files already. So you have used get item, get child item, add content, set content, and so on. I also believe that you have already written your first scripts and functions. Some additional information. In this course, I use mainly demos. This course is not about purely technology, but it's rather about the practice. I'm going to put together the scripts and functions from scratch in front of your eyes. So you'll be able to follow how the code will be born from the ideas. Of course, you can download all the scripts that I will create throughout this course. There's a version saved at the end of each video, so you can follow me along the whole course. I'd like to involve you in the process of figuring out the right expressions and lines of code. So this course is not purely about technology, but it's about style. It's about culture of PowerShell programming. We will use Windows PowerShell, but the scripts can be used in PowerShell 7 as well with minor or no modifications. I will use PowerShell integrated scripting environment for the demos, and you can also use that. And in that case, no additional software is required if you are on Windows. And now let the course begin.